Well, I found something.
Glauben, wir haben 2 Zoll britische Mörsergranate.
Here they come. Today we are diving for river trash. There's a lot of garbage here in this river and today we want to get some of that out. First piece of trash, a reflector part. As always, pieces of plastic sheet. There we go. Check out how many fish there are. Alright, let's start diving. Two bottles. In the back it goes. That's not supposed to be here. We'll get that all the way back. You stay here. Ah, that's nasty. Look what I found! A spare. Yeah, I got a spare. Well, I found something, but I'm not entirely sure if this isn't ammunition from World War II, so I think I won't touch it. There it is. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Ah shit, yeah, that sucks. That sucks.
That's definitely a grenade.
Okay, it's the next day. I've done some research at home and I now believe that this is a mortar we found yesterday. yeah, I knew the day would come when we finally would find ammunition. I mean, after all, we live in Germany, so it's not too surprising to find bombs or ammunition from World War II. And yeah, I think it's a 2-inch mortar. I'll put the picture up here, and so you can compare it yourself, but it looks pretty similar to those I found on Wikipedia. And yeah, that's not good. I often say trash shouldn't supposed to be here in the river, but this time it's definitely not supposed to be here. I mean, in the summertime there are kids playing here, and yeah, it looks like it didn't explode, so that's not good. So now it's time to call the police so they can take care of it and make this river not only clean but also safe again.
Wir sind gestern an der Alme hier schnorcheln gewesen, haben gerade nochmal nachgeguckt, weil wir was auf einer Videokamera gefunden haben. Und glauben, wir haben 3 Zoll britische Mörsergranate.
Tschüss! And now it's time to wait. Here they come. Niklas, also ich möchte nicht nass werden. Alright, we are leaving. We showed the officers where the grenade was, and they're going to take care of it now. And yeah, there we go. That's it. There it is, all the trash we found. Football, this construction thing, one full bag with all the tiny pieces, and a car tire.